You ever feel like an imposter? Yeah, me too. I just finishing made a woodworking video for my YouTube channel, and I guess I won't upload the video because it's not that good. When I search for woodworking things, it's all so everything is so perfect. They all they all use fast tool and the best tools, and the joints are amazing and everything. Despite I already made like 20 or 30,000 euros doing woodworking things. I guess it's not good for YouTube because when I put my things on YouTube, okay, my shop is not the prettiest, my tools is not the most expensive ones, but I make some things, and these things sell. I can sell them. Maybe it's not the kind of video that you bought something for $6 and you sold for 1,000, or you use pallets to do $6,000 table. I don't even have clients in my country that will buy that table. It's impossible. People don't have this kind of money here. So, but this is a common thing. I have a business, and my business is doing very badly at the moment. And the thing that is mostly saving my business is woodworking, because last year I already made more money woodworking than in my business. You see that it's a lot of money, and I don't know. I think I should not feel imposter, but I feel the same. I don't know what you think, but for me this is a problem because I'm trying to make YouTube videos. I don't know, since 2011 in my first channel. I started making them in Portuguese. Now I'm trying to make them in English, even it's not perfect. Uh, but yeah, it's not working. I don't know if it's because I think I'm imposter, and then the videos is not going to be very good, are not going to be very good. I don't know if it's that or other things, but I'm in a position right now in my life that I'm very in a very bad place. I don't know if you are the same, but money is short, business is short. My relationship is a bit complicated because of all these type of problems, money problems, business problems, whatever. So I don't know if you are in the same place, but if you are, let's grind this out. I don't know. I will just try to grind this out. Have a nice day. I hope so.